Hey guys, it's Maymay, and it is time for the original Stamp of the Month Club reveal. And I apologize for my voice in advance. This week has knocked me down. I had a cold this week, so I have been out of the craft room. I haven't even been to work, so Vince brought this home. We're filming on my kitchen counter so I can show you guys this. I am on the mend. I'm feeling much better. Thank you very much. I expect to be back next week, no problem. So, this is the club that ships out the first of the month. And if you signed up before December 31st, this set is already in the mail to you. You can still purchase it, even not being a Stamp Club member. All these will go into the store. Anytime we have leftovers from the shipment, they go into the store and you can purchase them. So those will be up this afternoon. Now, here's the deal with this one. This is a set every creator needs, not just card maker. Anybody who creates and gives needs this set. And I wanted to bring it to you in January because it is the perfect time of the year for this. And I have a little story to tell you about it, but I want to show you the set first because I know you can't wait. All right, if you want to sign up for our club, information is below. It's a full-size stamp set every month, and you get 15% off in our store as a club member. Okay, here we go. Ready for this? This set is called Handmade By. Now, what this is it is a stamp for you to put on the back of your cards when you make them, or this is the thing I love about it, on a tag. If you make a tag and give a gift, you can put this on a tag. You can put this, if you make a mixed media item and you want to use this as part of your signature, you can stamp it and then write your name. Now here's the thing about it. Each one has a spot for you to put your name on it, and here's why. Every time I make something for somebody, they ask me to sign it. Oh, please sign it. Did you sign it? When I get something from somebody, I want their signature on it. Now, you can have a custom stamp made. They're out there. They're available. And you can have your name put on the stamp. But how personal is it when we can sign our name? I know a lot of my friends, whenever they send me something, they'll have a little stamp like this and have their signature, and I love it. So let's go through and see what we did. We also gave them to you for different seasons. So let me show you. This first one up here says, I'm reading upside down, by the way, because of my filming setup. This is Made with Warm Wishes Just for You by, and you can sign your name under it, and it's got snowflakes and polka dots. And then this one, we tried to do them for the seasons. This one is kind of springy, and this is the butterfly. If you remember, this is my butterfly from... who knows the set? I can't remember the name of the set. But this is our butterfly we've had in another set, but we took it and made it larger and then added a little like flying tail there, like because it's flying through the air. And this one says, created just for you by. And then this one has some of our fall leaves, and it says made for you by, and this one's in the little square so you can write your name in there. This one is sideways. It's got a bow because we felt like that would be kind of, seasonal, like if you, even for just birthdays or anytime you're giving a gift, a little bow, and it says made with care by. This one is kind of like Art Deco-y because we thought, you might have a gift for a man or something you want it to feel a little more masculine or maybe just more like generic. So this one says handcrafted by. Over here we have one that's all about love, made with love by, and it's got little hearts. Then here, this one is adorable. This is a little pennant banner, and it says handmade for you by, and then you can sign under that. This one is one of my favorites, and you may have to take a second to fall in love with this one like I did, but here's the deal. This says, hey, I made this for you, and then you can sign your name right here in this little curve of it or outside of it. But I wanted a bigger one, so if we made tags to put on a gift, I thought this would be cute to put on the back of a tag for someone to get. And let me tell you why. At Christmas this year, my daughter-in-law made gifts for her her grandmothers, and she made them glass-etched cutting boards, and they were beautiful, but they were very professional looking. They looked like she purchased them, like she had them made for them, which is incredible because she did that herself, and they were gorgeous. And every time someone would open them, I would look and go, Sam made that for you. Because it didn't say on there, which now she can make a little tag to say, I made this for you, and they could see that before they even open it. And when the recipient discovered that Sam had made the cutting board for them, their whole attitude changed. They loved the gift, but then they were like, oh my gosh, you made this? I can't believe it, because it looks so professional and looks so well done. So make sure you're using your handmade buys. This one says made especially for you by, and then this one also has a sweet little story behind it. So my Aunt Dottie, every time when she would write something to me or to anybody in our family, when I remember this, she probably still does it, when she would write something, she would draw a pair of lips and write SWAC, sealed with a kiss. And so we had a spot, and I was like, that's what I want there because it reminds me of Aunt Dottie. So I think it's so cute, and there is the stamp set. Let's stamp some out real quick, and I'll show you what they look like. I'm losing my voice, so we may not can stay too long. I feel it going. We'll see what we can do. So, ink this dude up. This one, I'm going to do them upside down because of my camera setup. This is the one that says Made with Care by. And you know I had to put some stitching in. Y'all know it. I got to have stitching anytime I can do it. So I was like, we got to have stitching in there. This one is the one with the fall colored leaves. I think it's real pretty. The other thing is, you know, you can mask off your stamps. That's what's so cool about these. You could like mask off where it says the words, and maybe you just wanted the frame. Like I didn't even press right there. Maybe you just wanted the frame. You can mask this section off and use it for something else. Get creative. Think like that. You don't have to use these just for what they say. That's what I love about stamping. I'll make sure I press completely this time. Doing this on cold medicine is a little different than normal. All right, press this down. Oh, look at that, and my smudge. Very cute. I love how these look. Let's do the butterfly. This butterfly from the stamp set it came from, which I cannot believe I can't remember which stamp set it's from. Oh, it's from Define Emotions, and it's a smaller butterfly there, but it was so funny because when I first did it, everybody said, if you turn that butterfly sideways, it looks like eyes, and it kind of does, which I think is so funny. So see, think outside the box with your stamps, use them for other things. I'm going to stamp one more. I want to stamp a couple more. I'm just like you guys. I get a new stamp set, and I want to stamp every single one of them. Oh, I love this one so much. I think it's so adorable. And I love that stitch line. It's a little different. It's not just a regular old stitch. I think that's cool. All right, let's stamp the kisses. The swag sealed with a kiss one because I think it's adorable. I don't think I inked it up well. There we go. Look how cute. All right, guys, that is your stamp set for this month. It is on the way to you now, and it is available in the store if you would just like to have it. So all of these you can use for all your projects. I think this is probably one set that you'll keep on your desk and never put away. This will be one that you grab every time because every time you make something, you'll get to pick which one you want. Oh, I almost forgot. I wanted to sign one and let you see what it looks like. So, Made with Care by May. And you can have room for a little heart or whatever. And look, made just for you by Maymay. I love that. And I love when you guys send me stuff that has your signature on it. So I know other people will love it too. Thanks so much for watching, guys. I'll catch you again next time. Bye-bye.